Today we're going to replace the front plate assembly on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. Remove the 2 screws from either side of the cap. Remove the 4 shoulder screws using the provided Allen key. You can now remove the cap. Disconnect the spark and fan wires. Disconnect the cylinder head by twisting. Disconnect the retaining ring by removing the screw with the provided Allen key. Remove the 2 screws, then the 4 holding the body together. Remove the front channel. Now you can lift the combustion chamber and magazine out from the body of the nailer. To remove the nose from the sleeve, disconnect the 2 screws connecting these parts using the provided Allen key. To remove the front plate assembly, push out the dowel pin. Then, to disconnect the latch cover, simply unclip. When disconnecting the front plate and the quick lever, you will need to push out the other dowel pin. Get the front plate and the quick lever and reconnect with the dowel pin. Clip the latch cover back into position. Then, place the front plate assembly back into the nose. Place the magazine back onto the combustion chamber and push the dowel pin back. Secure with the 2 screws. Then clip the left underbody into the magazine and make sure the body of the nailer shuts firmly. Secure the 2 shoulder screws and then the 4 screws holding the body together. Fix the front channel back. Return the retaining ring and fix it in place with the screw. Secure the cylinder head. Connect the wires back into position. Place the cap back until flush. Secure with the 6 screws. That's how you replace the front plate assembly on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.